thought our performance, especially first half, was exceptional. I thought the boys were excellent, and we've been like that for a few weeks now. Training has been really good tempo, and our performances in the first 3 games, we can't ask for any more.
I thought we were poor first half. We got blown away. They were really, really good. We were really, really poor first half. We changed it slightly at half time. Thought second half we were a lot better, but the game was over by then.
We feel confident in every game. We love to get the ball down and play, and yeah, we're just feeling better every week.
We've won 3 this year against them, but every game, it's been tight until that first goal, and we've been fortunate enough to get the first goal, and then gone on to win the games, and that was certainly the case tonight. Once we got that first goal, I thought we were well in our stride then.
When you're up against it, you've got to go down fighting. We'll fight for every single point we can get for the rest of the season, regardless of what situation we're in. We've got a really good group of boys in the change room. We were poor tonight. Praised them when they're good. I thought we were really good last week against Cardiff. Should have won the game, didn't. But we didn't deserve nothing tonight.
Listen, Corey's been fantastic since I've been here, and this season he's played out of his skin to score the goals he has and the assists he has. Just shows he's getting better and better with age. And he's still got quite a few years left in him. All we can do as a football club is do everything in our power to try and keep Corey Shepherd. But I know there'll be a few others knocking his door as well.
As a player, would you say that the confidence in the changing room is one that can take you all the way to the playoff final?
I hope so. We did it last year, and we only had 2.5 weeks off. I think that's why we had a poor start of the season, because we were a little bit fatigued. So yeah, if we can push on and edge towards the playoffs, then that would be good.
Congratulations also on your contract extension. You will be here until 2029. You're very happy here, Tony?
Yeah, I love Pembrokeshire. It's a lovely place to live. I've made some really good friends since I've moved down here, and Rob and the club and the board have been fantastic with me, so it was a no-brainer really to extend.